Hey guys, in this video we are going to have a quick look how a simple Notion finance tracker with income, spendings and balance could look like. So let's get started. The general idea of this tracker is, which are linked down below, so it's completely free, just get a template if you like it, that the balance is calculated by the income and spendings. For each month, you have one of those little cute tabs, for example, January, and also in the spendings table, you have a January. And you see, for example, in January, we made some income with affiliate links and partnerships, and then it automatically calculates the balance. So we have the income, which is the sum of those. We have the spendings, as we can see here, $1,400, and then we have the balance. If we add now a new income, for example, we sold something, I don't know, for $100, and we can choose a type. Maybe it was a partnership. You can create all kinds of types, whatever you enjoy. And for sure it was in January because this is the January table. Maybe it was on the 18th. And now we can see that this income is $100 higher. And yeah, we have a sum of 2,373 in income in January. It's, as mentioned before, quite a simple table. So you have those two tables. They are linked to the balance overview. So usually you do not type anything into the balance view. You just enter your income and spendings for the respective month, and then you get the sum. So yeah, when you get a template, you also get the video which explains it, and also how to change the currency, for example, if you have euros instead of dollars. Yeah, I hope this helped. As mentioned before, if you want to get the free template, just click the link below. Thank you so much.